loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. If you have not already, please go ahead and subscribe, then turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload all things and everything hair related. So in this video, it is sponsored by Mslynn HAIR, which sent me 22-inch 360 lace wig. So the lace goes all the way around. I could put this wig up in a ponytail if I wanted to. And today I've just curled it because it has came in body wave, and I showed you guys on camera how I curled as well as how I get my baby hairs together. So if you'd like to see that, just keep on watching. If you'd also like to purchase off rip, which I would definitely recommend, the links for this wig will be in the description box below for you to do so. So without further ado, let's just jump into the tutorial. So now that the baby hairs are done and out of the way, we're going to be cutting some layers. And I just like to take my scissor and cut in a diagonal line going down. So that's how I like to cut. So whatever I do for one side, I'm gonna do on the other. I'm gonna find the piece where the hair is longest at, and trust, I will probably cut more as I progress with like styling the hair and stuff, because the shorter the layers, the cuter the curls drop in the front. So just gave y'all a little bit of tea. And then seeing that you've cut the hair, you want to go ahead and brush it. So obviously that's what I'm doing. So brush both sides. Make sure that there are no stray hairs or hairs that were cut off but didn't fall off, no longer on the wig. And I'm going to take my curler now and start curling. It's pretty easy and simple. So I'm going to start from the top piece, and honestly, we're doing 3 pieces of hair. It's not going to be a whole lot of curling, and 3 pieces on each side, so 6 pieces. And just like this, I'm going to just go ahead and trim the hair up a bit, give it a light trim, nothing crazy, not taking off more than an inch. And once I've done that, I'm gonna go in with my curler, my handy dandy Old Faithful, and I'm gonna curl it like so. So I'm curling away from my face, as you can tell. I don't curl in my face. I've never tried that method, and I don't think I want to try it. Curling away from my face has always worked for me. And while doing this, I'm just making sure that the strands of hairs are getting an adequate amount of heat, so everything just falls perfectly once I take the curler off. And what I do for one side, I'm going to do for the next. And instead of speaking through this, it's super easy to curl, so just watch. I'm going to speed the video up a tad bit, but just watch. And if you have to slow it down, there's an option on YouTube for you to slow down videos, so you can utilize that if you want to see like how exactly I curl the hair in depth. But I'm just showing you how to style it, and this is just what I'm doing. So when you're finished, your curls should look like this. I always like to hold my curls just to make sure that everything sets in place, and your curls should fall like this. So I'm gonna just go ahead and speed up the video, add a little background music, so just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm not gonna pin these two curls up because about now is when I'll take out my curls. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Just remove all of the pins. And when we're done, we're supposed to get something looking like this. Now to take out these two pins and boom, here you go. Literally easiest way to curl your hair ever. I haven't found any other method that works for me, so this is what works for me. I'm about to just get my brush because I cannot find my white tooth comb and brush these curls out. And they should definitely look like this. It did take me around 20 minutes to do everything, and it has been cut down to about 10 to 15. And honestly, it is also worth it. It is super easy to install this unit, and it was so good to me. I love me some body wave hair, especially when I can layer it and it's like super short. Not really super short. I would consider this super short just because it comes above my boob. So anything above my boob is super short once it's curled. So I love that. I love this style for the fall. Curls are always in. It's a all year round type thing, but I love curls right now. I haven't done a curling tutorial in a minute, so I hope you guys appreciated and learned something from this. I didn't use hairspray. I wanted to see how the hair would hold up without hairspray, and so far so good. Everything is perfect. I love it, and I wouldn't trade it for anything else in the world. So far so good. 10 out of 10 for this hair. I don't have any complaints. Shedding is definitely at a minimum. I haven't really seen any, apart from when I was cutting the hair, so it was deliberately being shedded by me because I cut it, of course. There was no real shedding issue. Tangling is no such thing. I've had the wig on before doing the baby hairs for about 2 days, so I got to experience it and stuff like that before actually styling it, and it's been perfect. The hair is actually really soft, which I love. So the wig specs again are 22 inches and it's a 360 lace wig. I did a middle part. I could have done a side part, and I really wanted to do a side part, but I was just like, let me do the middle part. I haven't done this since like about June or July, so I really wanted to switch it up and do something cute and new. And I love this. Like, I might go in and layer it some more just so the layers can be more drastic, or I might leave it like this. So I'd give this hair a try. I would definitely purchase it if I were you and I was wanting a body wave wig or a 360 wig at that. I would definitely get this hair for myself. with my own coins, and I'm pretty sure there are discount codes below, so please don't forget to check the description box for the link to this wig, the link to their website, and the link to a whole bunch of stuff, their contact information if you'd like to get in touch with them personally, because this hair is actually really nice, y'all, and it's not too thick, it's not too thin, and the curls are a bit voluminous. They're not on the thin side, and they're not super duper duper voluminous, but like the volume is just right. So love that for her. And yeah, I have nothing else great to say about this hair and nothing bad to say at the same time. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.